My name is Matt. I'm a divorce attorney nearly 20 years. Here's another hard truth about divorce, which is no attorney upon talking to you is going to be able to tell you with confidence what the spousal maintenance is going to be. Spousal maintenance, also known as alimony in other states, or spousal support, is the financial amount that one spouse is deemed to continue to owe the other spouse even though the divorce has been earned. And the reason they're not going to be able to tell you is it's not like child support. Not like we figure out what your gross incomes are, any sort of other income or offsets or imputations, drop it into a calculator, and then voila, you've got a number that spits out. Rather, spousal maintenance, as much as it pains every potential client to hear this, is just as much of an art as it is a science. Yes, it's painstaking to hear that, but frankly, it's an art because it's a matter of what kind of arguments can we make. There are 8 factors under law that judges are required to look at, and in the course of knowing that, we collect facts and who can make the better argument around these circumstances. You end up in the scenario where perhaps we can latch on to one key fact that makes a big difference. But ultimately, it's a weighing of reasonable needs by the recipient against the ability to pay by the presumptive payer. And when you bring children into it and child support, that gets all the more interesting, especially when you think about when people are part-time employed or unemployed, and we've got to start imputing as to what they're capable of earning. You're never going to get a straight answer first consult. But ideally, through the course of moving forward, having strategy session, providing full transparency to your attorney of everything, and cooperating as directed, you should be able to get some realistic estimates within the weeks ahead. My name is Matt. I'm a divorce attorney. Been doing this nearly 20 years. If you appreciate this sort of content, please like, follow, comment below. Thanks.